Good morning, ma'am. My name is Prince Singh Best, currently studying general medicine from Astana Medical University, and today I will be showing the algorithm for intramuscular injection. So here I begin. The first step before injecting the medicine into the patient is washing our hands, and the algorithm for washing our hands is as follows. Firstly, put the soap inside the hand, open the tap, take some water like this. Open the tap and then wash our hands. And the second step after this is sanitizing the hands with the same steps as we ever wash our hands. Now put some sanitizer in our hands. Now 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and then open the tap, and these are our hands. Now after washing and sanitizing our hands, next step is to wear the gloves. Now the algorithm for wearing our gloves is as follows. For wearing the gloves in left hand, take the two fingers of the right hand, put it like this, and then insert the hand inside it. Third hand, use these three fingers of the left hand like this, these three fingers, and insert the right hand inside the gloves. Okay, now after wearing the gloves, the next step is to check the expiry date of the medication and the syringe. Okay, now we have checked the expiry date of the syringe and it is perfectly fine. Now take out the syringe and throw these wrapper in medical class waste A. Now the important step is we need two medical class waste A and the medical class waste B. Now we will throw the wrapper of the syringe in medical class waste B. Now check the expiry date of the medication. Okay, so we have checked the expiry date and it is perfectly fine. Now throw this waste in class waste A. Okay, so now we have thrown the class wastage in both the class waste. Now next step is to remove the cap of the syringe like this, and this is the medication, so we will insert the medication inside the syringe. Okay, so now throw this in medical class waste B. After throwing this in class waste B, we will ensure that there is no air bubble left inside the syringe, so we will expel the air out like this. It must be in our eye level. Okay, so now there are no air bubble left inside the syringe, and now we will put the cap and we will put it in sterile tray along with two cotton balls. Now the intramuscular injection is inserted in the arm region of the patient, so we will use this as a dummy and we will assume that this part is his arms of the patient. Now what we will do is we will sterilize the arm of the patient by using alcohol cotton bonds, and the algorithm is 1 2 3, and we will throw it in class waste A, and the another one is we will use one more alcohol cotton balls 1 2 3, and we will throw it in class waste A. Now after sterilizing, we will take the syringe and we will remove the cap, and now we will hold the arm of the patient and we will inject it at an angle of 90 degree like this. Now after injecting the medicine at the angle of 90 degree, we will cover up the syringe and throw it in class waste B. And now the next most important step is to sterilize the part that we have inserted the medication by using alcohol cotton balls. 1 2 3 and throw it in the medical class waste B, and then again use 1 2 3, and then we will tell the patient to hold that alcohol cotton ball in that place for some duration, and then we will throw the cotton ball in medical class waste B. And the next step is to remove the gloves. Now we will remove the gloves from our hands and throw these gloves in medical class waste B. After throwing gloves in medical class waste B, next step is to wash our hands, and the algorithm is same. Put the Dettol hand wash, and then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. Next step is to wash our hands, and the algorithm is as follows. Put the Dettol hand wash in the hands. Now 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and then close the tab, and then again use the sanitizer at the end of the algorithm, and it has the same steps as the washing our hands from the hand wash. Now this is all about the intramuscular injection. Thank you.